Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you change charging sound on iPhone. You'll need a Shortcuts app for this method. Open Shortcuts app. Go to Automation on the bottom. Tap on plus icon on top right corner. Create personal automation. Scroll down to charger. Select is connected. Press next. Tap on add action. Search for speak test. Now type the phrase that you want your iPhone to say when is connected to charger. You can change rate, pitch, language and voice. Tap on play icon on bottom right corner to see if it's working.
Charging.
Press next. Turn off ask before running. Press don't ask. Press done. Now if I go ahead and charge my iPhone, the sound will be changed.
Charging.
To disable this automation, go to Shortcuts app. Tap on Automation. And disable this automation. Press Done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.